Alright guys, we're about to start this thing up. This thing may look shitty, what it looks like right now, but it is loud as shiz. Here we go. There goes nothing. Rev it! Rev! Rev! Keep going! Rev! Heck yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Told you guys this thing wasn't a piece of crap. That's what the front looks like. It's a 1966 Chevy panel truck. 406 motor in it, 475 horsepower. Freaking custom exhaust pipes and stuff. It really stinks. But yes, that's pretty much it for this thing. He built this thing he brought this thing home. All where that headlight is, there's no motor. Look, just the hood was there. That's a new hood that he put on with the scoop on it. That wasn't there. There was no headlight bumper and stuff like that. The whole front end was torn off. So yeah, he built it up from scratch. But that's pretty much it. Bella. Little Bella. You wanna go in, Bella?